create this stunning graphic designer poster in Canva. So first go to canva.com, click on custom size, select 1080 by 1080 pixel. After loading this page, copy this dark green, paste it here in element section, then go to photos and select this, make it background, then go to elements, clear this, go to shape, go to basic shape, and then select this shape. Then change the color to orange. Here is the file with all the color codes. This is the shape color. Change this color to orange. Then adjust the size and position. Again, go back to shape and then select this shape, rotate it to 90 degree, place it here, make it bigger like this. Corner rounding will be 0. Reduce the size slightly. Okay, then adjust the size and position of both shape and make it a group. Make sure this is on middle alignment of this page. Then go to elements and then frame. Search half arc frame. Select this frame. Rotate it to 180 degree like this. Place it here. Reduce the size. Expand it to bottom side. Then go to effects and select glow. Intensity will be around 60. And go to upload. Upload your picture. Here is a picture of my. Place it here. Double click on the photo. Rotate it to 180 degree. And adjust it to the right side. Then if need any adjustment of your photo, go to adjust and increase little brightness. Go to text, add a text, designer, then go to font, change the font to Gistesy. Here is the font name. You will get this file in description box. So select this font, place it here, make it little bigger, designer, and then again add a text, write your name here, change the font to Spartan. Then copy this color code, go to color and change the color to dark background color. Make it bigger. Adjust the size. Then click on shape and photo. Select both of these. Drag it to little upper side. Okay, expand the size of the both shape. Designer. Then make this text uppercase. Adjust the size. Make it little smaller. Select I and make it white color. Then duplicate this font and write your phone number or contact information here. So for example, this is my phone number. Make it black color, make it smaller, adjust the size and position like this. Then again duplicate this text, change the color to white, transparency will be around 90. Then write your all the service names here, left alignment, and then adjust the size and position. Okay, adjust the size and position. Then you can make it little bigger of your photo. Okay, so go to elements and add a line shape. Here is the line shape. Then rotate it to 90 degree, around 90 degree. Okay, then make it little smaller. Place it here. Change the color to this shape color. Duplicate this text. Here will be your logo here. So you can add your logo here. I am just mentioning this. Here will be your logo. You can also make it lowercase as well, but I prefer uppercase here. Then click here to see the full view. If everything looks okay, then download it and use on your social media or whatever you like. So if you like this tutorial, please subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.